The Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, originally produced between 1955 and 1974, holds a special place in automotive history as a symbol of elegance and design excellence. Its unique blend of Italian styling and German engineering made it a favorite among car enthusiasts. As we look ahead to 2025, there is growing anticipation about the potential revival of this iconic model in a modern electric form. In recent years, Volkswagen has been actively exploring the electrification of its classic models. Reports from 2021 indicated that Volkswagen filed trademarks for several classic nameplates with an E prefix, including E Karmann. This move suggests that the company is considering an electric revival of the Karmann Ghia, possibly utilizing its versatile modular electric drive matrix (MEB) platform. This platform is designed to accommodate a wide range of vehicle types, making it ideal for reimagining classic models with modern electric drivetrains. The envisioned 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia concept pays homage to the original's timeless design while incorporating contemporary elements. The exterior is expected to feature smooth, aerodynamic lines that echo the classic silhouette, complemented by modern touches such as LED lighting and advanced aerodynamics. The interior would likely blend elegance and functionality, offering premium materials, an advanced digital dashboard, and a state-of-the-art infotainment system. Under the hood, the concept is imagined to be powered by a high-performance electric motor capable of generating around 400 horsepower. This setup could enable the car to accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in approximately 4.5 seconds. A substantial battery pack would provide an estimated range of about 600 kilometers on a single charge, catering to both performance enthusiasts and those seeking efficiency. In terms of technology, the 2025 Karmann Ghia is expected to be equipped with a Level 4 autonomous driving system, allowing the car to operate independently in various situations. The infotainment system would offer seamless connectivity with platforms like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring a connected and intuitive user experience. An intelligent virtual assistant capable of responding to voice commands and learning from user preferences would further enhance convenience. Safety remains a paramount concern. The car would come equipped with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance systems, including automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring. Advanced airbags and a reinforced structure would ensure maximum protection for occupants. Sustainability is also a key focus. The use of recycled and sustainable materials in the car's construction, combined with its efficient electric motor, would significantly reduce its carbon footprint. Volkswagen's commitment to environmental responsibility would likely extend to implementing a battery recycling program, minimizing environmental impact. Customization options would allow owners to personalize their vehicles according to their preferences. From unique exterior colors to premium interior finishes, every detail could be tailored to create a truly unique vehicle. It's important to note that while these specifications and features are part of an imaginative concept, they highlight the potential for blending classic design with modern technology. Design exercises like this inspire innovation and creativity in the automotive world, allowing designers and engineers to explore new ideas without the constraints of production models. These concepts can influence future projects and technologies, shaping the future of the automotive industry. The original Karmann Ghia was a product of collaboration between Volkswagen, the Italian design house Carrozzeria Ghia, and the German coach builder Karmann. Its design was influenced by various individuals, including Luigi Segre and Felice Mario Boano, and it was known for its stylish appearance and reliable performance. Over its production run, more than 445,000 units were built, making it a significant model in Volkswagen's history. The potential revival of the Karmann Ghia in 2025 represents a fusion of past and future. By embracing modern electric vehicle technology while honoring the classic design elements that made the original a beloved icon, Volkswagen has the opportunity to create a vehicle that appeals to both classic car enthusiasts and modern drivers. As the automotive industry continues to evolve, such projects exemplify how manufacturers can innovate while staying true to their heritage. In conclusion, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia concept embodies the harmonious blend of classic design and modern technology. While currently a design exercise, it serves as a testament to the enduring appeal of the original model and the exciting possibilities that lie ahead in the realm of electric vehicles. As we await official announcements, the prospect of this revival continues to capture the